Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you progressive auto insurance how to cancel. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to cancel progressive auto insurance, what you need to do is gather your information. Before cancelling, have the following ready, like policy number, personal details, name, address and date of birth, new insurance policy if switching to avoid a coverage gap, and effective cancellation date. Then you can cancel by phone by simply heading over to the browser and on the search bar typing on progressive.com. Then once done, simply tap on the contact us option and the number will be provided. Then once you dial it, provide your policy number and request date, cancellation date, and ask about refunds for any used premium, cancellation fees, or which varies by state and policy. Confirm the cancellation and request a written confirmation or email. You can also cancel via live chat as well by simply typing on the see more contact options, and there you'll find the chat now option. All you gotta do is tap on start chat and then provide your policy details and request cancellation and ask for confirmation to be sent to your email. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.